Hey everyone, how are you? Now I'm hopping on here to do a little video for you all to talk about money goals and why setting clear, specific money goals is so important. Okay? Because a lot of the time I hear, I want to manifest money from people. I want to manifest money. Yeah, that's cool. But manifesting money isn't specific enough. You need to put down a number. You need to get clear on the amount of money that you want to manifest, right? And write it down, okay? So it's really good to do monthly money goals, like really good to do that. Because what it is if you say, I want money, you could find $1 on the ground. You could get, I want money. I don't know. You won't get the specific amount that you want unless you ask for it. And being specific gives a clear order to the universe of what and how much you want to create or bring in. How much money you want to manifest, okay? So it's like with money, I find it easy to manifest money because it's so specific and it's just like, I want to manifest $5,000 or I want to manifest $10,000, whatever it is, right? But like I said, just saying I want to manifest money isn't clear enough to the universe. You have to be specific on your money goal, right? So let me know in the comments, within the next month, how much money would you like to manifest? Let's get specific on it, okay? Let's say it's $5,000 in the next 30 days. Actually, in saying that, I am going to be running a workshop very soon that is on manifesting $5,000 in 30 days. And I'll be taking you through a process of releasing the resistance around that and then programming your subconscious mind with the beliefs that will support you bringing that money into your life. So, write down how much you want to manifest, okay? Try not to say, I want to manifest money, because it's just not specific enough. So let me know in the comments if this is making sense. And let me know also in the comments if this is what you've been doing, because I'm telling you now, if you have been just saying, I want to manifest money, this can be a big block to manifestation, to manifesting money, right? So get clear. How much do you want? And let's get manifesting some money. Drop an emoji or a comment down below if you're ready to manifest some serious money. Alrighty, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.